In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Google Meet video quality. If you've ever been frustrated by blurry or pixelated video during a crucial meeting, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process of enhancing your video quality on Google Meet, step by step. First, we need to start by going to Google Calendar. You might be wondering why Calendar? Well, that's where most of your meetings are likely scheduled, and you can access them directly from there. So go ahead and open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you're in Google Calendar, the next thing you want to do is select a Google meeting that you have scheduled. Simply find one of your upcoming appointments and click on it to view the meeting details. This will provide you with all the necessary options to join the meeting via Google Meet. After selecting the meeting, look for the option that says Join with Google Meet. Click on it. This will redirect you to the Google Meet page where you'll see options to adjust your settings before officially joining the meeting. Now, you should be on the Google Meet page. Look for the Join Now button and click it. This step will actually bring you into the meeting interface and allow you to start making changes to your video settings. Once you're inside the meeting interface, you'll want to click on More Options, which typically appears as 3 vertical dots, often positioned at the lower right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several settings you can adjust. From that menu, select Settings. Doing this will open a new window or a sidebar with various configuration options. This is where you can make the key adjustments needed for better video quality. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on Video. This tab is where you'll find specific settings related to your video appearance during the meeting. Next, focus on changing the Send Resolution Maximum. This defines the quality of video that others will see from your end. You might see options such as Standard Definition or High Definition. Select the option that best suits your bandwidth and system capabilities for optimal clarity. In most cases, selecting High Definition will deliver better video quality if your internet connection supports it. Similarly, you should adjust the Receive Resolution Maximum. This determines the quality of video you'll see from other meeting participants. Here again, choosing a high-definition setting, if supported by your internet speed, will enhance the visual clarity of others in the meeting. And that's it. By following these steps, you will significantly improve your Google Meet video quality, ensuring clearer communication in your future meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.